Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the wisdom hidden within the pages of some of the most fascinating books ever written. Today we're exploring a guide that takes the ruthless efficiency of the mafia and translates it into lessons for the corporate world. Yes, we're talking about The Mafia Manager, a guide to the corporate Machiavelli. Written anonymously, The Mafia Manager offers a unique perspective on business management, drawn from the clandestine world of organized crime. This isn't your typical business book. It's a gritty, no-nonsense manual filled with practical advice for navigating the treacherous waters of corporate life. The book is structured around key principles, each illustrated with quotes and anecdotes that could have come straight from a mafia don. Let's break down some of the core lessons from The Mafia Manager. First up, the importance of power. The Mafia Manager emphasizes that in both the underworld and the business world, power is everything. It advises managers to consolidate their power and to use it wisely. This means understanding the dynamics of your organization, knowing who holds influence, and ensuring you are indispensable. Next, loyalty and trust. The book stresses that loyalty is a two-way street. A good manager should inspire loyalty in their team, but also be discerning about whom they trust. Betrayal can come from the most unexpected places, so always be vigilant and protect your interests. Then there's negotiation and persuasion. In the mafia, as in business, deals are often struck in back rooms. The Mafia Manager offers strategies for negotiating deals, persuading others to your point of view, and ensuring that you come out on top. It's about being firm but fair and always having a plan B. The Art of War. This book borrows heavily from Sun Tzu's philosophies, applying them to the boardroom. It advises managers to know their competition as well as they know themselves, to be strategic in their moves, and to never show their hand prematurely. Financial acumen. Just like a mafia boss keeps a tight grip on the family's finances, a successful manager must be financially savvy. The book provides insights on budgeting, investing, a steady cash flow, stressing that financial stability is the backbone of power. But let's be clear, while The Mafia Manager offers valuable insights, it also operates in a morally gray area. Not all of its advice is ethical or legal, and it's crucial to adapt these lessons to fit within the bounds of law and corporate ethics. The Mafia Manager is a provocative read, providing a lens through which to view the corporate world as a battlefield where only the shrewdest and most strategic survive. It's not about adopting a criminal mindset, but about understanding the raw, unfiltered realities of power, influence, and survival in the business jungle. So, should you read The Mafia Manager? If you're looking for straightforward, sometimes harsh truths about leadership and management, this book is definitely worth your time. Just remember to balance its insights with your own moral compass and ethical standards. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And tell us in the comments, which unconventional business book should we review next? Until next time, stay sharp and lead wisely.